Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today I'm so excited to share with you the Hush Puppies recipe from my friend Kathy Hester's new cookbook, Vegan Cooking in Your Air Fryer. I have been super excited waiting for this book to come out. Kathy's recipes are always amazing. They're well tested, they're consistent. There was also a selfish reason I was excited about this book, and that is because I have two recipes in it. My avocado fries are in here, and also my recipe for bacon cashews in the air fryer. So you can get those recipes plus a ton of others. She's got everything from kitchen staples and snacks to entrees. She even has air fryer recipes that you can make for dessert, like brownies. It's really an amazing book. I hope you'll check it out. Before we get to the Hush Puppies recipe, I wanted to really quickly go through the ingredients with you, and then we'll cut to the overhead and make these. There are some variations that you can do to make it soy-free and to make it oil-free. So let's go over the ingredients real quick. I'll talk about variations and then we'll get cooking. The first thing you need is cornmeal. She said to use fine ground if you can get it. Baking powder, salt, soy milk, and we're gonna actually make it into vegan buttermilk by adding a little bit of apple cider vinegar to it. If you want to do a soy-free variation, Kathy says that you can, instead of soy milk, use any other vegan milk you like and just skip the vinegar addition. We're also gonna add a little bit of minced onion, aquafaba, which is just the liquid from canned beans. If you wanna learn more about aquafaba, I have a blog post about it on my website, and I also have a video about it on YouTube that you can check out. A little bit of sugar, a little bit of oil. Kathy says that if you don't want to use oil at all, you can substitute extra aquafaba for the oil in this recipe. And then there's also optional spray oil just to spritz the hush puppies so they'll get that crispy outside. You can skip the spray oil too. I like to use it because I feel like if you really want food to mimic that crispy, deep fried texture, it does take a little bit of oil, but it's totally up to you. So we got our ingredients together. Let's get cooking.